Redmi 9A Google Lock Bypass. This method works with miu12. Press Next. Choose the language. Choose your region. Tap to agree and press Next. When this came out, it'll connect to network. Press Skip. Scroll down and press Accept. Now this is the important part. Don't skip this. We need to set password. Tap on Only Screen Lock. Now press Pattern. Press Got it. Now draw your pattern. Draw again to confirm. Remember this pattern. Press Next. On additional settings, scroll down. Press Agree and Accept Cookies. Select Default Launcher and press Next. It says Setup Complete, but literally not yet complete. Press Next. Now press Setup Phone. On miu12, press Next. Choose your language and press Next. Choose your region, press Next. Tick on checkbox, press Next. Press Next. This time, you need to connect the network. Press Don't Copy. Now this is the last part. Apology for the video quality disturbance, but just draw the pattern. Same pattern that we have set up earlier. You are bounced to get into Google sign-in page. Press Skip. Setup complete. You are now successfully unlocked Google Lock on your phone.